I mean, they call me on the local. So I know if from in jump out, in they go call me. Just believe, man. I say I don't get no name, man. I don't get no name. I say where mother try. I say where mother deal with, man. Yeah, man. When daughter jump out, man, he go see what I go on, man. Yeah, man, you know who I deal with, you know. It's a God bless you to my deal with, you know. Yeah, man. Brit alright, my people, man. She a come on well. I one Prudent, man. One Brit. One Brit. No change. No change. Chaddy, where I deal with. Unique with the money gun. You know, look on my neck. Look on my neck. See it? Even a hickey. From Prudent lockdown, me I hold my one too. See that? Even a hickey. Even a hickey from a girl. Man, I hold my one. I try know that. Yeah. I'm sorry, I couldn't smell my shirt through your phone. Yeah. Even a girl sent no dep on me. Just believe me. Yeah. You don't know what I go on already. You don't know, say, yo, rep. No better milk. Tired with the donut them. Chat. Nah, this man. I nah this Prudent, man. I want to not believe me, man. I want Prudent. I say I want Prudent. People want to understand in real life, and I want to know, say, yo, man, I real youth. I want to know, say, yo, man, a real wrangler. Man, a real G. Because I remember, man, from the very first day I met Prudent, I don't know who when did it, but I'm supposed to know, say, from the very first day, me met Prudent. Remember, you know, all the way I make money, you know. We maybe not make some money with some boy they make, but all the way I make food. I don't get that straight. Everybody I make a money, no matter how small it is. I don't know see from the day me met Brit. The first day me and Brit met. I don't see alone good vibes. And from the very first day me and Brit met, I want to get a full understanding. Remember saying, you know, when I met Brit, you know. Remember saying in my position, you know. I'm not going to put some boy in my position. Look into this now, all the way, man. Remember saying, you know, some boy will call himself Jagger or Mish or whosoever, you know. Jimmy, big up yourself. Remember saying, you know, look into the whole ball game, you know. Remember saying, you know, as a man, you know. Remember saying, I only put them class himself as big this and big that. Remember saying, you know, for some boy, you know, some boy wouldn't go dead Brit, you know. Some boy would say, no, man, Brit a low class. I not go there with them girl there. We have money already, we not look there, so. I'm going to look upon that. I'm going to look into it that way there. I'm going to look into it that way there. Because I say she request me. So I'm going to go work with her because of somebody that too. You understand? I stick with her. I never walk left her in her town yet. Whenever I see she go on like say she want to get mad and they walk left me and anything there, I try to find her. I make she go. Even when she get messed up, I'm going to look for her. Some man now do that. Some man also say, oh no, sir, I'm a food already. Make that little dirty girl go and suck him and go and go in business. I not do that. I not turn no back on him. I did it with him right through. I stick with him. Every move he make, I did it with him. So, I end the idea, she knows I'm a genuine youth. He knows I'm a youth, I'm not going to let him down. He says as he call me, I did it. He says as he say Ray, I did it with him. So, I end the idea, if he go pre say nobody have style and go pre say Zozo is not a styler. Because I end the idea, she knows that she can count on me. Look on all the day if I go to hospital. It come like if me never go for her, she ain't go no hospital. I'm left from which part me there, and say me I go link her. All of me tell him if look drive, she don't want to look no drive. So I'm check the whole ball game. Monday I go and fight the fight with him. And the amount of things when he said to me, for hurt my feelings, and the amount of things he do, amount of things he say. Danny, big up yourself with the money gun. And the amount of things she say, I'm still hold on to it. I not put that on my brain. Because I say mouth make me say anything. And I know say most of the things that she say, she don't mean it. So in that day, I don't watch no face. I just work with her. I just hold her vibes with her. Just remember good, man. So me hear all the mother say all certain things, man. The mother feel appreciate that and know say, yo, in son-in-law, they do it right. If you know say Zozo, then I take care of my daughter. If you know that for a fact. If you know say Zozo, then I hurt in daughter. You look at the time them in daughter they around me. I say, Ray. Even the first night when I met Britt. For sure, yeah, even the first night. If one of the dep on the live, the first night. When me and her just they left from blood clot, the dispensary. And me and her go up at Airbnb. If you not pre the live, when me and her go up there, and fear her life get banana, and me turn on for me live, and showing up there. I know so I'm looking to it myself, though, and I say, watch out. Even though I do carry guard dispensary, I say, Brittany, you know, they don't want part of a smoke weed. So here what I go on. I don't want no alcohol for drink, I don't want no weed for burn. And Brittany, if you don't go listen to them two things that I go lock off my life and cut. Because I say to myself, say, yo, I not going to know, say, yo, you can't manage you. Say, yo, you can't manage your weed and the liquor and anything there. And I sit down in an Airbnb so with you and drink and smoke with you. David did it. And I said to him, say, yo, mama, you say we go work as a team. So here what I go on now. So if you go smoke and drink, me not depend on your team. So you do what you want to do and me do what I want to do. So even though I pay for Airbnb, me will left out tight gear. Me will call the money that I pay for Airbnb a last and go where I go. So if you can't go work with my protocols and don't smoke or drink, I'm gonna leave. And she do follow the protocols when me set the night there. She no smoke and she no drink. And me remember the pass out some remarks. Now I say, what do that woman? I said that the same night I say I all want to go party. I say I'm not carrying Brit go to no party. Because Brit, you see Brit now, Brit is a girl like this, you know. In feisty, in rotten. You roll cycle you have in food, in well rotten. Brit, you got your business place. And you go on like say, yo, you want to talk to him too hard. And you raise all in vice. In disrespect in your own business place. So me I say, no, I'm now okay, Brit go nobody place making go on like so you work. And a boy can this Brit run me. And a girl can't do that. So say in the idea now, I try to keep him thing well governed. So I can't go places when I know say in that 100. Because a boy go on like he want to size up or a girl go on like he want to size up. And then I go mash up a boy or a girl out there. And then go say Zozo, then I get too hype. True, you're up on the media and people start seeing now. People go and say, yo, Zozo, you too this and you too that. Just believe, man. Me just do the right thing. Remember, say from the very first, Brittany come around me, and I notice from Brittany they come around me, look how much party they keep. Look how much things they keep. I mean, a boy will ever the party. And I say, I don't bring her girl none of them places until I know say Brit a Brit. But I know say, alright then, caution. Caution we I deal with. Say, for instance, then you tell yourself, say, we go spend one blood clot 10 grand for the night, you know. I say, him pass the 10 grand, so I know say, yo, he not ready for your road yet. Because if you say, we go do this, and then we go the honor that we do, that simply means you're never ready for your road then. Just believe, man. Jimmy, big up yourself, you know, Jimmy. Jimmy, I say, just believe me, man. Jimmy, man, a true believer, and a new believer, you know. I say, I do this, you know, my father, I do it from my heart, you know. Because I tell myself, say anything or anything, you know. Yeah, I tell you, because as I tell you, know, a whole heap of time, man, out there. A whole heap of time, man, out there, man, need help, and a stranger can help me. And I tell you about a stranger. Then we maybe not do all what I think they need for doing, but then can give me a strength. Yeah, man, she's okay, man. Brittany is okay. But they road more while and bring around tourists, go places. And tourists give me all 1, 2, 3 bills. And I say, bumbuckler, where the tourists are give me so much money for? Tourists, I say, no, man, that you don't want it? And I say, Jesus Christ. Come like a dog or a woman, see love in my heart. And do the right thing. I don't talk to her, man. People say I don't talk to Brittany, man. Everybody listen to me, I say carefully. Remember saying, you know, they say I apologize, you know, to the people, you know. And I apologize. Then when I say on the media, I say, then when I say the people, I say, me give them data this and give them data that. So me say in the video say, like how uno say me fi apologize, uno fi apologize too. Cause uno say me I go no data this and me I go no data that, so uno fi apologize too. So me say alright then. So it's like how the woman call me now, the nurse woman call me and tell me say yo, Zozo then the mother say Ray. So me say alright then. Mother don't know what I do already. The mother don't have him plan in her mind. The mother don't have him plan in her mind already. I say me nah get no name, man. Yeah, man, they should have glad say yo that little young youth that come out and apologize. They should have just glad. But me tell the woman say no here what I go on. See the nurse woman who carry the message go give birth for me. So that woman there, me give me credit. Me make you know say mama just speak up yourself. God is in it. Much love and much respect for pass on the message. Yeah, man, no give it no name. You can pass back a morning and tell her say I love her. You do that for me. If you want to eat the message, you eat the message. But make you know say boy there. He knows if you do the right thing and go and hold the faith. So I give him 2 message. Yeah, so I hope he deliver them for me. Just like when he can deliver a message give me, I hope he can deliver them. Yeah. Because him say me not to bring down nobody, you know. So, I hope he do it right because he don't want me bring down nobody. He don't want me bring down nobody, so he better send on the message for me. Yeah. They know me turn already. Yeah, man, they know me turn already. Cause me a boy we go over hospital and take all the security picture. Me take all 3 of them picture. Yeah, man, me take them picture and come put them up on my life, man. Yeah, man, come put them up and bring them down. Yeah, man, me make the whole world know them turn. The whole world know them turn. Make the whole media know who is who. Yeah, cause one thing alone they can do, you know. One thing alone they can do. You know one thing I don't like with some of the people I know, you know say right way I do. You know say right way I do. And some of them go on like, you know want me talk. You know go on like, you know want me talk. You just make me know say you're right, man. You know me not go out that way and do certain things. I just make you know how me feel. I just make you know what they go on. I don't want to feel like so you're right. I just go now update and make you know which part I stand up. So I don't want to feel like say yo, I know vibe me come have to push with nobody. I come have to set the thing the right way. Like I don't want to go see pretty smile where she always show me. You don't feel like more get a hug. You don't feel like more get a kiss from a woman. Come on, man, better than that, man. Because some man I know no not talk, you know, no come and talk, you know. I hear about things on the news, you know. I know I go hear about things, you know. Because some man too on the dark, you know, come and so come talk. You know, go up there go mash up somebody. Who for hand broke neck they chop off. Because I know some man and some man a butcher. Some man love cut neck. I wanna go on some man on the dark and basement. We right now, I would have badness. And if me do badness, it not go good for my side, the man a tell me. Because I cannot win the hospital. Because them a part of the system too, you know, them is part of the system and anything what they say, you know. And I not go lay down behind no bars for no foolishness. I not go lay down behind no bars for no foolishness. So just believe me, I go and hold my own until I know say mom's good. The only thing I can do right now, I just go and ease myself, go and check on her and see that say she good. I don't get no name, man, chat. No name I don't get, man. We are pray. We are pray.